Intermittent fasting. 6 reasons why you should practice it regularly. Fasting is not something new for human beings. We have been doing it for millennia. Every time we sleep, our body enters into a fasting state. In the morning, we break the fast simply by having our breakfast. Intermittent fasting is a new trend in the fitness and health industry. Many people across the globe are practicing it to improve their health or lose weight. What is intermittent fasting, and how to do it? Intermittent fasting is a type of fasting that alternates the eating and fasting phase regularly. You cannot eat any food during the fasting phase, but you can drink water or green tea. These are the 3 most popular methods of intermittent fasting. X, Y intermittent fasting method. This intermittent fasting method allows you to consume regular food during the X-hour window and fast for Y hours every day. X and Y are hour numbers that bring you the best long-term results. The most popular is the 8 to 16 intermittent fasting method, which is 8 hours of eating combined with 16 hours of fasting. Still, you can apply different proportion that brings you best results like 10-14 method or 6-18 method. Eat Stop Eat. This method entails fasting for 24 hours, once or twice a week. For instance, not eating from dinner one day until dinner the next day. 5-2 diet. This intermittent fasting method involves eating a small portion of food, only 500 to 600 calories, on 2 non-consecutive days of the week, but eat as usual the other 5 days. Alternate day fasting. Eat every other day or alternate 2 days of eating with 1 day of fasting. Remember that if you want to lose weight with any intermittent fasting method, it does matter what you consume during your eating phase. If you eat a lot of junk food, sugar, or high-calorie food, you will probably not lose weight. Benefits of intermittent fasting you should know about are weight loss. Many people opt for intermittent fasting because it can help in losing weight. After all, fewer meals mean less calorie intake. Intermittent fasting brings another dimension to the weight loss equation. It boosts hormone function to enable weight loss. Low insulin levels, high growth hormone levels, and improved amounts of norepinephrine facilitate the fat breakdown and use this fat to fuel our body. Lowers the risk of type 2 diabetes. The main reason behind type 2 diabetes is high blood sugar levels against insulin resistance. Intermittent fasting reduces insulin resistance, thus lowers the high blood sugar and diminishes the risk of developing diabetes. Studies have shown that fasting decreases blood sugar levels by 3 to 6% and insulin levels by 20 to 31%. Delay aging. Aging is something that you cannot stop but can slow down. Many factors contribute to the aging process, and oxidative stress is one of them. It not only contributes to aging but also the development of many chronic diseases. Intermittent fasting helps our resistance against oxidative stress and, in this way, slowing down the aging process. Improves heart health. It has been proved that intermittent fasting normalizes blood pressure and decreases the chances of heart disease. Intermittent fasting corrects various risk factors, including blood pressure, total and LDL cholesterol, blood triglycerides, inflammatory markers, and blood sugar levels. Prevents cancer. Cancer occurs due to the uncontrollable growth of body cells. Intermittent fasting has beneficial effects on metabolism, which may lead to a lower risk of cancer. Some studies have proved that fasting can also reduce the side effects of chemotherapy in cancer patients. Improves brain health. Various metabolic features such as reduced oxidative stress, reduced inflammation, and a reduction in blood sugar levels and insulin resistance are essential for brain health and can be enhanced by intermittent fasting. Studies have revealed that intermittent fasting may increase the growth of new nerve cells, which benefits brain function. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please click on the subscribe button for more videos like this. If you are interested in any topic related to natural health, fitness, or home remedies, let us know in the comment section below. We will create a video with quality information covering the topic you are interested in.